Wow. Wow. It's very beautiful. Wow. I have a basket and I have a line. Wow. It's very beautiful line. Wow. Horse. Horse is very beautiful. Wow. Wow. Tiger is coming. Tiger is coming. Tiger is coming. Wow. It's very beautiful tiger. Tiger is very beautiful. Wow. This animal is very beautiful. And horse is very cute and beautiful. Wow, it's very beautiful. Line is coming, line is coming, line is coming. Wow, sheep is very beautiful. Wow, sheep is very beautiful. These animals. Wow, it's very cute. Some of tiger is coming. Some of tiger is coming. Wow. Wow, teddy bear is coming. Teddy bear is coming. Wow, it's beautiful teddy bear. Wow, it's tiger. Tiger is coming. Wow, it's very beautiful tiger. Wow, and also tiger is coming. Wow, it's very beautiful tiger. Wow, I found a tiger and I found a horse. Horse is very beautiful. Wow. Wow, horse, fox and horse. Wow, it's very beautiful. Wow, it's very beautiful. Wow, and this is a water gun. It's very beautiful. Wow. Wow, fox, wow, fox is very beautiful. And giraffe is coming. Wow, it's very beautiful giraffe. Wow, it's very beautiful giraffe. Wow, kids mobile is very beautiful mobile game. Wow, it's very beautiful. Wow. It's very beautiful. Wow, fox is very beautiful. Wow, elephant is coming. Elephant is coming. Wow, it's very beautiful. Beautiful elephant. Wow. Horse is coming. Horse is coming. Wow. It's very beautiful animals. Wow, it's very cute and beautiful animals in the power stadium in the wall. Wow, what is this? This is a giraffe. Giraffe is very beautiful. Giraffe is very beautiful. Wow, and now this is a tiger is very beautiful. Tiger is very beautiful, and also lion is coming. Lion is coming. Line. Wow, line in the water. Wow, it's very beautiful. Wow.